Hi everyone, I'm here to show you again one of the videos about homeschooling, and I have two students and just the way how I work it out and just how everything works as we're getting close to finishing up school. So you do need these folders, they will be helpful, and I got this at Walmart, and as you can see I just put this is for my first grader, then I separate the papers um, with just a clean sheet of paper, and then on the other side is for my kindergartner. So that's how I save on some of the folders. This is for my kindergartner, and how I prep for about 5 weeks ahead. That way I'm not there every day trying to find what's the homework, what's the paper for today. So we open the pages in the back. This is seat work. Seat work is for my first grader. It says the AR and the LS, and it's all has the AR means arithmetic. AR arithmetic. And then it tells you on day 130, LS means for letters and sounds, and what page you need to rip out for the day. And that's for language. And then WP page 134, which means writing with phonics. So I would rip out that page and I'll put it on day whatever I'm working on. 130 is what I showed. This is what I would put. And then the other things is you will be working either in class or it's something that you need to write on the board and have your, and also the spelling and poetry. So like the other stuff is the teacher will show, and or you can show and then they'll just need to copy and work on that. So this is the seat work. Then I go to since we're doing day 130, so this is day 130, then I'd come on this head and I want to see what else do I need to prepare for day 130. So I see what we're going to be working on, and then on the left it would show you, the arithmetic pages. Make sure I got those out and ready. So I ripped those out, so I'm good to go. And then also you'll have like, the spelling and poetry, and then you'll have like your art activity, which was not for seat work, which you're going to do in class. So these projects here, you're going to get out the art project and prepare. So I pull those out and put it away in the folders. And then there's going to be days also where there's going to be a test. So arithmetic, there's going to be some homework and there's going to be a test in class. So test 25. So I'm going to get this test, arithmetic test, and I would pull them out on that day. Test 25, and I'll just pull out this paper and put it away. So it's that easy, just it takes me about, a week to like I have two students and I do some extras. And then after you grade, it all says in the book, so you write down the grades and then and all that. And this is for phonics. It tells you what tests you gotta do and stuff. So that's the test. And they send you, the answer keys if you're gonna do parent led. Well, I have the teacher leading, so I just turn on and it works better for us that way. So if you're also confused, you can always go back there and it'll tell you what you need to get for the day if you're confused. So yeah, and then there's these cool books. I mean, so far we're happy, and the BF stands for Bible Friends. So you'll need to take out that as well. So yeah, let me know what you guys want to see in my next maybe homeschool video. If you have any questions. So These are the papers I took out just for one student, and then I'll pack it out. And if I have one page that's for today and tomorrow, on one side I'll write the today's date or today's